In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Facebook Messenger. Whether you're on your phone or using a computer, I'll walk you through the process so you can start chatting in just a minute or two. First, let's cover mobile, which includes both Android and iPhone. Start by opening the Messenger app from your home screen or app drawer. Messenger uses the same login information as your Facebook account, so have your Facebook email, phone number, or username ready along with your password. On the sign-in screen, type in your email, phone number, or username exactly as it appears on your Facebook account. Then, enter your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. When you're ready, tap Login. You might be asked to verify it's really you. If that happens, a verification code will be sent to the phone number or email that's linked to your Facebook account. Open your messages or email, find the code, and enter it in the app right away, since these codes can expire. If you don't see the email right away, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder. Once the code is accepted, you're in. From there, Messenger will sync with your Facebook account, so your existing contacts and conversations will appear automatically. Now, let's look at logging in from a computer using a browser. Open your preferred browser and go to messenger.com. This is the official website for using Messenger without opening Facebook itself. On the login page, enter the same email or phone number you use for Facebook, followed by your Facebook password. Click Login, and if Facebook's security system asks for a verification code, check your phone or email and enter the code on the site. After that, your conversations will load right in the browser and you can start messaging from your desktop or laptop. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you start, double-check that you're entering the correct account details, and keep your phone or email nearby in case a verification code is required. Also, remember that Messenger is tied to your Facebook account, so whenever you update your Facebook password, those changes automatically apply to Messenger as well. That's all it takes to log into Facebook Messenger on mobile and on the web. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be chatting, sharing photos, and catching up with friends in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.